Hey, do you want to trick your friends and make them think you're a time traveler? Let me show you how. All you gotta do is go to Photopea. We're gonna open a picture in there. Then you go to Image, Adjustment, and all the way almost to the bottom is Desaturate. Click that, and it makes it black and white. It's an important step. Don't do this without going black and white. Then we go to Image, Adjustment, and we go down to Color Balance, or it's Control B. You can do this all on your phone. It's so easy. We have to go a little bit red and a little bit yellow. Don't go crazy. We're not going like we just went to Chernobyl and got some radiation. And there it is. That's all there is. You can adjust how much you want, but that's it. Add a little red, add a little yellow. It's up to you how you want it to be. Now it may be too dark. Okay, Image, Adjustment, Curves. Move it down because guys, who we're doing. And we're gonna add, don't go crazy. Remember, if you mess it up, hit reset. And then you can brighten it up. Just a little bit of an S-curve. You wanna see what it looked like before, hit that preview button, before and after. That's it. It's that easy. And if you wanna make sure you look like a time traveler, make sure you have technology on that they didn't have 100 years ago. Your friends are like, what? That's way awesome. Anyway, that's it. See ya.